guys, this is Ti, and I would like to share with you one of my favorite body mists from Victoria's Secret, and it's the Mandarin Honeysuckle Energize. I really like this body mist because the smell first, it smells so good. You can really smell the mandarin with that sweet but citric combination, which is something that I really like because it doesn't bother me during the day. I kind of spray these and I will be completely fine. It won't bother other people either, so I love it because of that. So how it feels on the skin, it doesn't feel doesn't get sticky. I'm gonna apply some in here. You can see it doesn't feel any sticky. I want to show you here. It actually feels very refreshing because of the smell. I really like that combination they did, that sweet but citric combination. I really love it, and I recommend you to try it if you're looking for that different smell, something that people will remember you for. Then I'll recommend you to try this body mist. But that's my point of view.